Today I will show you how you can connect your Gem wallet to any decentralized application which uses WalletConnect. I will show you how this process looks like when you try to connect to the app on your PC or your mobile. If you haven't got your Gem wallet already, make sure to go to gemwallet.com to find the official download links for both Android and iOS. Connecting your Gem wallet to decentralized applications is very straightforward. For this video, I will show you how you can log into OpenSea, where you can trade your NFTs. Head to OpenSea.io, click Login, and now select WalletConnect. Click Select Wallet and choose Gem wallet. Now you have to confirm that you want to connect your wallet. Now you can see where exactly you are connecting your wallet and which wallet address will be used. If everything is okay, click Approve. And now you can go back to your browser, and as you can see, we managed to log in into OpenSea. Now I will show you how you can connect your Gem wallet if for some reason you cannot see Gem wallet on the list. Click right here to show the QR code and click Copy. Now let's go back to your Gem wallet, open Settings, scroll down to WalletConnect and click right here to paste. Once again, click Confirm, Approve, and we connected our wallet to OpenSea. To check where you connected your wallet and to disable any connections, you can go to Settings, scroll down, click on WalletConnect, and right here is a list of every DApp you ever connected your wallet to. If you want to stop the connection, click on the DApp and click Disconnect. And now I will show you how you can connect your Gem wallet to any DApp on your PC. First, go to a website you want to connect to, click Login, select WalletConnect, and now open Gem wallet on your phone. Click Settings, scroll down to WalletConnect, and click the QR code. Now just scan the QR code on the website, approve the login, and you connected your Gem wallet to the app on your PC. That will be it for today's tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and to check out other tutorials on Gem wallet.